Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week's PPF Pro Tip that I'm going to go over is how to properly prep your edges for a paint protection film installation. So I got two products that we're going to use. Adam's all-purpose cleaner. That is going to be used to clean all the dirt and debris out from behind that edge. And then we're going to use our 90% isopropyl alcohol. We're going to use that for the final step to prep this edge for paint protection film. Now this truck is a 2019 Honda Ridgeline. It has seen a lot of miles on it already. The customer does want to get the front end protected with paint protection film. So I'm going to go over how I would properly clean these dirty edges and get it ready so the paint protection film is going to stick. Okay, so we got two different kinds of towels here. We got this yellow microfiber towel, and then we have this lint-free glass cleaning towel. I like to use this with the isopropyl alcohol. So I'm going to take this yellow towel, take my all-purpose cleaner, just going to spray it on there. Now these Hondas, they do have this seal over here. I'm going to start over here at the corner, and I just like to take and wrap the rag right around that edge, and I like to scrub it back and forth. Make sure it's going to pick up all the dirt and debris that's underneath. Now, as you can see, that's a lot of dirt and debris that if you didn't do that step and you tried to wrap that, paint protection film will never stick to the surface. Okay, so I got my blue lint-free towel that I'm using. I got my 90% isopropyl alcohol. Just gonna spray a generous amount on there. I'm gonna come up over here, just with my other hand, I'm gonna take and pull back that seal. And same thing I did with the yellow towel, just back and forth, scrubbing that edge to make sure that edge is perfectly clean. As you can see, we picked up a little bit of dirt, but that edge is now going to be fine to wrap paint protection film onto. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more.